I think this orange lanyard goes very well as these orange speckles, with the cosmic orange of my 17 Pro Max. Hey Warenoticers, Shane here, and welcome to another video on the Warenotice Technology YouTube channel. If you're new here, definitely take a moment to consider subscribing so you don't miss out on all my other awesome technology videos about things like smartphones, smartwatches, tech accessories, cases, computers, tablets, autonomous vehicles, and really just so much more. But anyway, folks, in this video, we're going to be unboxing this OtterBox Soul Series case for none other than my iPhone 17 Pro Max right here. Now, before we start getting this case out of the box, I do have to give a huge thank you to OtterBox for sending this case out to me for free in order to make this video about it. So thank you very much, OtterBox. But without further ado, let's start opening it up. Here we go. So folks, first thing you're going to notice about this case's box is it has a big cutout to actually touch and see the case itself. It says OtterBox Soul Series up here, 5 times tested to military standard, MagSafe compatible, and you can get a confident grip with a tread-like edge, and there's also a removable elastic lanyard, so that's pretty cool. Over here on the back, it has a limited warranty, raised edges to protect the camera and screen, and performance nylon with a grid pattern. But anyway, let's just start opening this box up because I really want to see this case itself. So we can slide it out right here, and here is the case. And yeah, it looks like that's it. And wow, I'm already very fascinated by this case. I believe this is a new case from OtterBox, this Soul series, because I have not seen it before. And I definitely see what they're talking about by those tread-like edges. You see how there's little lines here on the edges? That definitely has a grippy feeling to it. And this grid pattern on the back, you can even feel it. So let's just pop my iPhone 17 Pro Max in. And wow, look at this. I think this orange lanyard goes very well as these orange speckles with the cosmic orange of my 17 Pro Max, and that black is a cool combo too. Anyway, let's do a quick tour around this case right here. So first, one of the first things I'm noticing is actually with the side button right here. I'm not sure if the size of this case is a bit off in the way that they built it, but this button's already kind of annoying me because it keeps accidentally activating Siri or Apple Pay sometimes when I press it, which is not the intention. So right now it seems to be working just fine. But earlier I would just like press it once and then it would think, oops, took a screenshot there. It would think that I'm pressing it twice and turning on Apple Pay. So I'll let you guys know if it does that again. But anyway, let's finish going around the phone. So here we've got the camera control button and we can test that out. Works just fine. Very nice and clicky. So good job there. Oh, see, there you go. I was just pressing this to just turn off the phone and it activated Siri. So that's a bit weird. Over here, volume buttons work just fine. Action button also works just fine. And on the bottom, we got a cutout for the USB-C port as well as for the speaker grills. And on the back, of course, we do have those raised edges around the camera plateau on this phone, as well as, of course, raised edges around the front of the phone too. So in theory, if you place your phone screen down on a flat surface, it should not be touching that surface, which is great. But anyway, let's test out the MagSafe on this phone. I can plop this MagSafe battery pack onto it and see how that works. And wait for it. Yes, that works just fine. So awesome there. And there it goes again. The side button just activated Siri again, and that's not what I was trying to do. So not sure what the deal is with the side button with this case on, but I will say I do like the way it feels in the hand, this case. Maybe it's a bit on the thicker side, but I think it's nice, the added texture, right? If you're trying to get a case. And now look, it's trying to do Apple Pay again. So not sure what is going on here. But yeah, the texturing of this case, I do appreciate that though, if you're somebody who wants to make sure your case is grippy. And I mean, yeah, folks, with that, there's not really much more to say about the OtterBox Soul Series case for the 17 Pro Max right here. If you do want this case for yourselves, it will set you back about $70. So yes, on the more expensive side, but feel free to let me know down in the comments what you guys think of this case. Do you have it for yourselves? Do you love it? Do you hate it? Let me know. And if you are in the market for your very own 17 Pro Max case, I'll have a link down in the description of this video to my playlist of all the different cases. And spoiler alert, it's a lot that I've unboxed for this device right here. And last but not least, if you enjoyed this video, definitely don't forget to smash that subscribe button and subscribe for more awesome technology videos just like this one. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching and thank you so much for subscribing. Bye.